How to see your muted notifications on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your muted notifications easy and fast. So first thing, go to Twitter app and go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, then go down and choose settings and privacy. Now choose the fourth option, privacy and safety, and choose mute and block. Click on mute and block. And now right here, as you can see, you have 4 options, and the last one is muted notifications. Click on it, and right here you will find your muted notifications. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.